Guys, welcome back to our next video, guys. Guys, we're out at Elsha. We try to catch some fish in the morning here. Time kind of late, still about 8 something now, but we still do it said way, you know. Me and my brother, father there, and we are going to do it. So stay tuned. So guys, first throw. Yeah, one fish there. One fish that are good, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Big macka. Whoa! Look at that! Guys, look at that! Guys, and the boy ain't want you under here, no? The boy ain't want you under here, guys. That guys, fish for days. So guys, brother, go back in our open, we make a tour and see where you go see where in job. So stay tuned. Birch. You want to throw out this one? Yeah, but you have to go out, man. Throw it in our middle. And they all go. Guys, we kind of missed that before, but it's so get so. Kind of missed that show there, but something in it. What that? Cousins them no. Alright. So guys, man, I catch your own, we catch some little baby spread and things, so just release them and thing, you know? So yeah, it's to our next bridge. Let's hope we get some perch, you know. Let's stay tuned. Alright guys, we finally reach at the bridge, so now we're gonna make a tour. So I'm gonna video from top so you can get the best footage, you know. So from the ear view, we don't call it bird's eye view. So that's showing you catch. That's showing you the show, I mean. So watch it here. Brother set it up over there, so up the net. Father gonna meet him down there, guys. So you know when you set the net, you have to set it perfect. So when you throw it, you're not getting no trouble. So yeah. So watch you pray. I'm not seeing a big fish at edge or so. Yeah. Nice, throw that. No joke. Nice, throw. Sticky night. Zero. So guys, little while we get zero fishing right now, you know. Why do the water run low when we never there, and why? All I fish then catch up, but I mean I said 90% I fish then catch up, but we still try to see if we can catch 2 fish same, you know. We still look at movements, it could be catfish or tank cleaner, but we are trying to see them, you know. Best thing we have to do is try, you know, because you don't know what might come up. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to make the next throw now. Yeah, drop down in the water. So guys, me and my case come down half a year so. As you can see me up on the bridge, man. My case come down half a year so. And show me where they catch. Let's hope they catch so. So guys, we not catch nothing panda catch. Panda truly. We not catch nothing, but we still have hope. I would believe so we are gonna catch 2 fish, so stay tuned. Yeah, go around, go over that. Yeah, man. Sure, yes. Let's see what comes up. Yes, man. Big boy. Yes, man, guys. What me telling you, guys? We have hope, man, so we are going to catch something. See? We catch something. If I even one and look there, we catch something. Nice size perch, guys. Grateful. Very grateful. You know? We're out here. So, guys, stay tuned. The next show. I'm showing him first, him jump like a bouncing baby boy. Come over here, sir. Making job. Come on, guys. Yeah. What me bucket for now? See if I see chain cross net further. Stand on one side. That complete every two across. What I say? Yes, guys. So see you next show here. How make your show so close? Where just show? Yeah, show find this. Finale, guys. This one. Yes, guys. We all want to see what comes up. Slowly but surely get in there. See a few bubbles. Don't know what's in it, but I hope it's something good. We catch nothing, guys. Nothing, but we're moving on, you know? So next show, now I go through some hostness, you know, guys. Pray for me. Not really bad. Guys, I don't know if that show good enough. I don't know if that catch pan the camera show good enough. Because they are focus pan so enough to see it. So I know if fish are going to come up, guys. Fishy, fishy. Where are you, fishy, fishy? Zero. No fish? No fish. Zero. Take back first. Take back, come and say. Take back first. Guys, that show that we didn't catch nothing, guys, so guarantee we're gonna catch something here, so guarantee. Nice throw. I'm sitting jump on there bottom. No frog. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Mambella. Mambella. What them fish are these? Guys, you see that big one there? And 2 fish that now full. Now bucket. 2 fish. So that go nice so far, so I'm stay tuned. Guys, see you next show here.
Nah, make you with it. Nah, make you with it drop.
Next show here. Go down some more, man. You can't go right this one. You know. Let me see.
Just fly out same time. I know what I prefer I make with the line them pan. Make with the line.
Something I fix on. People will get some perch. Decent sized perch.
You want to chop out the entrance in this. Entrance.
Carry bucket.
Entrance in the loose there. Now go chop out. Now go control.
Give me 2 fryers here. Fryers. And let him go back. Next fryer, guys. Alright. Nice, chew that. All that part, all front part. So. Oh man, I might go down further.
Flash out, I'm not sure if it's in any.
They're empty net. They're empty net, guys. Empty net. So we are move on. So guys, that being said, we'll come to catch probably about 6 fish. Give thanks. And guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. And guys, if you don't want to support me, looking at my description box, PayPal link down there. Support the whole family. Thanks for watching. And we're out till next time. Do that again. That again. Boss, I wash off. Alright.